We need the view to intro, Siobhan.
Fáilte rial ora seo. Please give a warm welcome to this evening's presenter, Siobhan Sutherland.
Hallo, hele duine, fáilte go glasachú fáilte in SEC, so mis Siobhan Shutharlanach, agus fáilte go Dhuaisean FilmG Awards. Nishe, hafis am be cúteach of us múneach FilmG Awards. This is a Friday night thing. Well, this is FilmG 18, nothing is normal. We have a summer FilmG, Scotland are at the World Cup, and the kids have been promoted to the big fancy seats up at the back. But don't worry, FilmG 19 will be back to normal, probably unless Scotland win the World Cup and we all just give up planning anything. Ciad is it's a seach film FilmG in bliana. That's 157 films this year, which is amazing. Agus sound le bunscolt in a hasnatóise go ganoch, leis an arbis fo is a gaig. Ha filmich yn acyn mw vrysgydyn i'r yngatch, reis yn edrych hitcharin, sichen yn Canada, mari vorn yn oran agus, of course, hein, President Trump. So, welcome to the FilmG Under 12 competition. It really is chaos in Gaelic. Nach toshig sin leis yn Dhuaisean arbis fo is a gaig a haiach hug leis a fobl Dhuais roin FilmG. Dhuais at sin le taich fo corle erigale is vod. The public vote took place on the FilmG website, and the 4 films you're about to see are the 4 films that received the most votes, but in no particular order, of course. Here to present the award, please welcome Councillor Luna Martin from the category sponsors Argyll and Bute Council.
Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here at the FilmG Awards and to celebrate the incredible creativity, talent and passion that exists across Gaelic filmmaking. I think it's wonderful that FilmG gives young people and budding filmmakers a platform and the opportunity to tell their stories through Gaelic. And I am incredibly proud to see so many nominees here tonight from Argyll and Bute. It really is fantastic to see the strength of Gaelic creativity in our communities recognised in this way. So here are the nominees for the FilmG Choice Award.
Mari vorn yn oran, banagashgoch gaeloch le bunskol hwn vicain.
Ha raf mi bisho eater. Femi the gale, airy Suez. Her rop yam. Harry dollar squeeve wow.
Dol agus na síchen, le taisgol yn y drochydje mabu.
Na teacher station chaya. Gyda hitchlet.
Reis yn teacherin, le bunskol srat na hapinje.
Kijk mocht de haar wie deed nou. Aju, wie niet get lenten. Gyda ma hitch leave the Hilladinja.
Gaelic sigemmer, le bunskol in je fjoheren.
Den Gaelic Sean attacker, cloiche ter eye.
Wow, what a brilliant selection of films. They all look fantastic, and I'd like to say congratulations to all of the nominees for all of your very hard work. And now, the winner of the FilmG Choice Award is Dhuaisean Primary School.
Has sin cho toirt gon bhine sin.
Stand next to the mic.
Has sin cho toirt gon do bhine sin. Hu sin tóir arpasteach an film seo. Time for gan the teaching, Cathy is on the and editing, agus toirt an eile, agus cutach Willa is on the and camera. Agus miss ní chláit.
Mialaverneach bin Scullion Viking, first award of the night going to Skye and to Mary Vaughan and Nora. Now I feel like Mary Vaughan herself would quite have enjoyed that. She fought for rights, she wrote poetry, and now she's winning FilmG. What a career arc. It goes to throughout good Dhuaisean. Now Dhuaisean is one of those brilliant Gaelic words that doesn't translate neatly into English, but it's one you'll hear plenty as all three competitions tonight have a Dhuaisean category. Heritage, community, place, history, identity, it's all in there. Now, basically, if Google Translate gives you one word for it, don't trust it. Ansan Ryan Shaw, hasna coitras on filma ha torskein, ferachkin lacher, che choirsnach no dulches. Hasna dol vo vishainen salaman and Lewis, gu iasgar, an a loch Karen, gu gun na Gaelic and an komen an alt, agus skrib echtri an an stordeweich. Han Duaisean sin le taich fo chumen na Gaelic, a hat anu an tuaves le scolchan agus scholar in feich na Dhuaisean. Here to present the award of the Common and Gaelic sponsored Dhuaisean category. Now, what would a Gaelic event be without Cormac? Please welcome the Maud Gold medal winning singer and TV presenter, Rudy Cormac.
Míle Siobhan agus míle gúise chasan hai na honor if you call it seo ag FilmG anoch agus if fechkin eile Dhuaisean as location seo. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's lovely to be here with you this evening at FilmG, and the party seems to be well underway, which is fantastic, and it's only just begun for many of us, so it should be a fantastic night. And it gives me great honour and pleasure to present the Dhuaisean Award for under-12s. The seochate in Dhuaisean agus I jaarliste son Dhuaisean for Dhuaisean bliana gúis agus sé Dhuaisean go sáirid seo go próseal mis na córsnach in Gaelic acin agus am I cíte go be seo fulaseach fun na filmí na císin díad an drásta seo an ástúlar.
Salami, le scoln an loch.
Bhíh sin Clinton Salaman chuideach as an nachi bhíh daine deanú ag tealaí a chula sa chula héich, bhíh at a gúil a leor agus bhíh at a gúnaí.
In Tíoscar, le bunscoil loch Caring.
Nothing that. Don't know how. How can I? Kim da how hing. Ski. Chida can ban you, Mr. Tola.
Ar gú, le bunscoil chun doirt.
How could you not hang? How could you not don't do it? You know, she knows I'm going to be Galaxy of Beyond. How she knows I'm going to be anything. She passed their culture to
I lorach stornavag, le bunscoil lochgastal.
A perfect. Son in New York of a musje, ballen mór le straat en trang. Garo aardje kalt toch rish. Lorach sin behe u.
February should je bullock colch die raadjen voor strie ga je bespreken. Ach, hij mi kan matoletje era boenigig de Dhuaisean en ochkes voor Dhuaisean blinig zo'n Dhuaisean she salami skull en loch.
Hashi go tangal a Sean a bhonach an Dhuaisean agus tap live chun an teacher akin agus Gemma agus tor den eile.
Nach maar ein scoln yn loch. In y drama, Mashir Shach Fir becan promo yn shit son Mashir BBCALBA, had Chile son streir. Chwol mi sahil dyn ni stoch o clynch yn gyfel mewn shit beezer yn show noch cydioch. Any keen quizzers in the room? The casting team might be doing the rounds, Kim of Sulamach. And this is where our under-12 filmmakers start properly showing off. We have A Biscuit Crime Wave, famous characters playing the traitors, and a film from Staffin with a title that already sounds like it should be on a Gaelic t-shirt, Chofin Rifulak. Yes, non-Gaelic speakers, that translates to as daft as a seagull. Han Dhuaisean y tîn le taicfo sgrin alapus, hashin cymatolichte cyfil ein soriste akin kusin Dhuaisean hort shachet. This category has been sponsored by Screen Scotland, and we're delighted that we have a pair of special guests tonight. But first, they have a little announcement to make about their Gaelic draft of the film and screen curriculum, which we are getting a sneak peek of for the first time here at FilmG. To tell us a little more, please welcome the Head of Education at Screen Scotland, Fee Milligan-Rennie, and the Minister for Children and Young People, Siobhan Brown.
Hello. My name is Fee Milligan-Rennie. I'm the Head of Education at Screen Scotland, which is the national agency for film and television in Scotland, and we lead development and we support everything to do with film and screen in this glorious country. Part of our work over the last 4 years has been to develop a film and screen curriculum for Scotland. We believe that every young person in school should learn how to make films as part of their everyday education. So we have created a practical filmmaking curriculum. It's an expressive art, and it's now part of what happens in Scottish schools. But we only... Thank you very much. We launched it in English in September 2025, and tonight we are announcing it in Gaelic. Lots of clapping. I did have a copy to show you, but I gave it to a teacher. There will be copies available at the interval. Please grab one. Please wave it in front of your teacher's nose. Please beg them to deliver it immediately. That's probably quite enough from me for now. Please come and talk to me if you've got any more questions. I can't wait to see the films. But before we do anything else, I'm going to stop talking in front of a microphone. Can't help myself. And it is my absolute pleasure to introduce the Minister for Children, Young People and the Promise, Siobhan Brown.
Thank you very much, Fee. And Feskama, good evening. I am delighted to be with you this evening at the annual FilmG Awards. And in my new role in the Scottish Government, my duties are children and young people, and that sits underneath the education, culture and Gaelic portfolio. And I have to say on behalf of the Cabinet Secretary, Mary McCallum, who was meant to be here this evening, that she puts in her apologies, but she wishes everyone all the very best. FilmG has been supported by many bodies in particular, and I'd like to commend BBCALBA for establishing FilmG and supporting it for 18 successful years. This evening, and I'd also like to commend Screen Scotland for launching its Gaelic film and screen curriculum, and this is a very welcome addition to Gaelic learning in our schools, and this will also be a boost to skills, creativity and storytelling in Gaelic. There are some wider points. The Scottish Government is committed to support Gaelic broadcasting and Gaelic medium education, and this also involves supporting and promoting the Gaelic learning that takes place outside the classroom in sport, music, debate, drama, and of course in short filmmaking. These activities strengthen language use and attachment, and the Scottish Government is committed to supporting and encouraging these activities. Finally, can I offer my congratulations to all of those who've worked really hard on making short films for FilmG, those that have provided the support, and those who have helped with all the detailed arrangements. Well done. It's a pleasure to be with you all this evening, and I would like to wish you all a successful and enjoyable evening. Moran Tank. Now I have another duty this evening. I have to present the award for the Best Under 12 Drama, and this award is sponsored by Screen Scotland. First, we need to see the nominations in this category.
Thuras na Gaelic le bunscoil in Lehin.
Oh, Vov, Jeha Shaw. Can you answer now how you tell you?
Cóghach na Priscachin le Daisy McKellar.
Cavel na Vriskatchin! Gujena, Cavelia! Throw it, baby shin falav!
Na Treidir an Enema le bunscoil Gaelic a Chalfin.
Hammy has to go break a macros on ha excellent show. And yet character charge to have to your brain roll.
Cofferniri Furlach le Club FilmG Staffing Knack.
Culture. And yes, you'll hear to the sack of the staffing.
Staffing! Vashini giri go a staffa!
Well done to everybody that was nominated this evening. And the winner is Carlton Gaelic Primary School.
Taplater son Dhuaisean FilmG. Haar wie spoorsal film Gorach Shaw Cruehe. Tapalev Gu Miss Macaulay, Miss Kennedy, no, not Miss Kennedy, Miss Driscoll. I guess a hill scholar and classic here Gishach. Time for FilmG.
Smart Einship bunscoil Gaelic a Chaltain, the newest Glasgow Gaelic Primary School already winning FilmG. Watch them next year. They'll be producing Line of Duty in Gaelic, and Martin Compston can put his wee bit of Gaelic to use. Has she creach nach a farbish for like comedy? I guess Fema Mira, this is a classic FilmG comedy category. Mary Vorn and Oran again. A monster in school, Donald Trump, and a granny defending her teapot from robbers. I guess Leshkavel ALBA a Coupe and a Krinya. I should say, if anyone from Skolavach has a plan with dealing with Trump, maybe let the Tartan army know. Her son and Dhuaisean show her chachet ha neachneach, I guess, Krillet a Lewis. Ha show Kujach Kakwarig or son Crown Radio Nangale. Representing our category sponsors, Corlin and Nilan Shear, please welcome Callum McLennan.
Hallo, ha mi oedd Mugoi Glan y fi isio nwch ha Meer verloch uur geune ook ik ken. Ik dacht dus galig leech shows. Ga gauw met je vatten. Ach, ha me hier kopen aan de sul na me aan een galig. Agus hawan usakum kri slie scanjal aan een route leech. FilmG is Czech goed het heel waschen. Agus gehad ik aan de scholen van ook ha show nog nooit ha met ook eens kri na junnelige wie zouden. Als naar Glaschu mopetse. Ach, waar me curietje toch roet zo'n mijn gaan ha show gehad agus wat 3 appersten garage van mijn smeunje gegaan gaan scholen de nation is toch maar goeie heb egalik agus shitchen klechgewie kudev loch orde agus ha kortigi life agus schönur das kutter mich gaan in jagen ja kashen hanaune van kortigi life ik tachertesens kormen het je man in eerste ach gehare na de hashu toch miski gele wie caprien die gele kapati sagadig genach janu schön asegalik agus gedjakusupi gefatsa shuga klech gavi egalik ach na poor nog gaivule ach kan je als fatakus vuamse kwat is in jarlis de Dhuaisean FilmG voor Dhuaisean.
Mari voor na noran, wanneer gaskoch geiloch, le bunskal hun wikking. Skol eiche, le Lee O'Donnell.
En Nursing, a case weer. Gregory, she's good to sha. Hashem golok get Gregory.
Gaskich y fach, le skol y fach. Eiche habit ag teig ranni, le skol na loch agus knap.
Natuurlijk ga je Dhuaisean FilmG van, je Dhuais comedy van. Ach, poor nog je Mali woorden aan puntschool hun wekken.
Hamigiri gratangu willow misni chlod agus Catiana vai kutchig a filmig agus vai cosparsoria GNF or bashing fena Martin in class.
Viking le dagus Mari Warren and Oran poet campaigner icon double FilmG winner. Shin Jerry Fatbish for Ushiga Yik. That was fast, funny, competitive, and nobody cried as far as I can see. Lishe Fatbish for Ush och Jik Ninjiakarin, a filmich and akin muna traitors, Iaskarin, Canon and Kailchach, Kjolik Somarostik, Polish and the Narsh Numurachin. Nuclear power station in the body, Fatbish and Downse, aliens on the Lochaber, just typical FilmG stuff, to be honest. The under 18 competition is when you really start to see the filmmakers shaping stories themselves. Agus hasna toshach le filmich in Fierenach, the factual category. Now this isn't just a case of we made a film, had the roundsach a kurheistin, it husperin agus a shaltin a rutin ha kutramachaiv. Han Dhuaisean a Chin le taikvo Urus Brosnachi na Gaelic to announce the winners of the Under-18 factual category sponsored by the Gaelic Language Promotions Trust. Nach gyda fáte i'r cheolata Rory Kelly.
Fisgur ma hula dunne agus ha uafsach ma vi seo nach siv ha coit spatial. Nach torsin súl ma ha I de jaar liste son na filmichen fidenjach a share fa ús ochblungiak.
In Chelan, Challam Chile, Lena Bicycles.
Ha torke sin ach féimi sin a Dhuaisean an Élan, son a finken, Jeha aun leis na súla nakin hín.
Elan Callum Killian.
In Skipper, le Bailey Machiligain.
Van Ushkudurge, a mesk na kreek is na femming, in na muskin chula a fallach, agus vi me Alistair, na chléf a chursías le bíag, gus an talagus jack.
Cananan na siadúchan an céilteach le Academy Real in your nish.
Elan Banin. Swan.
Coimhead.
Ar Canan Sarceol le Willow nich Gerrigish.
Fiús mir a helú a cloich ha a hulu dunne alm hast agus a ceol alm. Agus ha fada chin mat jeoach.
Agus ha an dúis son an yilum idenich a share I dal go ar canan sa ceol willow nich gerrigish.
Mór an tangu FilmG ha mir son ha mir anna mo chríoch ha mir son tangór a horsku somarosig gu cursin na mianin cha bhéanann seo gun na scílan ha síbse ar thorsca mór an tang na holanich fat a ga fars ans an nilamacham a ríis cha bhéanann seo gun síbse ha mi diolch son tangór a horsku mo charitsin a ha bhí mo chuúlú fatan slí seo agus gu mo cheolach ar fat mo bhathir smathir agus gu mo bhrathir beic brody seo úsa mór an tang.
Willow, FilmG Canon agus Somarostic, which is appropriate because Somarostic are everywhere in this year's competition. Wait till you see the over 18 shortlists later. In a drama footage ochdiek ha meskig maak in je show animation dorige Glasgow holish an nars na middagen. Ulle mag go il ras le skill och knja nach revue. Agus bara yetol girach go power stations nucleusach, so not exactly a quiet category. But that's one of the lovely things about FilmG bydynnu, y Chile ge fast na siar ag Chuirm and be at the power stations savare. In seo son and dúis o'r chachad ha Fi Milligan Rennie a screen ALBA and buin a chud taicris an dúis seo. Please welcome the head of education Screen Scotland, Fi Milligan Rennie, to present the drama award on behalf of the sponsors Screen Scotland.
Hello again. Oh, it's really brilliant, isn't it? Getting really excited just watching everything. It is my absolute pleasure to be here to, what am I doing? Awarding somebody something. To award the category of under 18s drama. I'm quite enchanted by this trophy and don't really want to give it away. Before we find out who the winner is this year, let's look at the excellent 4 shortlisted films.
Ophelia, le Rachel Rose Monroe.
Is an oeuvre jo anichtje, jarich Sayed, graag immigen en lastig tra krieën.
Een dunje aan een toe, le aarskol aars na murgen.
A bhíle sacket có hanam? Han jo hysige có u? Nee, nee, nee.
Ik muur, le William McGawy.
Wat dit die kreetjin gedachten zo? Machen. Is na speel. Jong. Tje, na geluk een beetje.
Treekje, le skol wagen gastje.
Ha uitjing pointiante tachars en inich aan een barai. Furichiv a stoi. Ha kutje hug a chiing.
Pointiante?
Oh my goodness. My goodness, my goodness, how exciting. Those were phenomenal. But there is only one winner this evening, and it is Ophelia by Rachel Rose Monroe.
Hello. Thank for go FilmG, go my Carditon, go my Farditon, I guess go Maestro Taylor at Skull Gaelic Glasgow.
Melton Elf, Rachel Rose, a beautiful animated film. Ha naguars son clúiche agus rúd cutmach am líana, an san atbis fa uis ochtiek handuis seo son clúiche mar bhuiin an screen ensemble performance, not one person hogging the limelight, although I'm sure some of you tried. Ha sin het over café gaelic an an inner herse go fallach fit an an ars na murachan, go aching nashente an an barai, no sausage rolls, agus fatbish downse an an lochaber. No sausage rolls in bara. That's not a film premise, that's a public emergency, and I looked it up, and the nearest Greggs from them is Inverness. It's only about 8 hours away. She fashion and gale ha could tie Christian Duais show a getorst chachet in Duaisean och ca presenter Crown BBC Radio na Gale. Agus could joch che a hana classiche in 3 uur J in Chelan. Please welcome Teeneth Monroe.
Hallo, hele dainje. Mijn dag is gelukkig eerlijk ma. Mijn groot tolletje wie zou color even en nog son een Duais klassieke voor 8 jaar hars hukuf. Apet gevel en ieder akin ho art en bliene jo runnaken narmisk. Zo aku een jaar liste.
Ga café na Gaelic cear le arscoil in your heorsa. Fallach fi le arscoil ars na murachan. Ispanin Gilior, le Skol Vaga Hashta.
And I seen da roll at Eastwing.
Julie, can you let that go?
Oh!
Foscal na Marichen, le our Skol Lochapper.
Hi, Mum.
Hey, doen en maar zo. Kunnen we wat even
Quiet, Ora.
niet eerlijkje.
Wel, apel gan wat jetzt yn dydach sganial hasef yle cho talentach. Ha yn dwys o dal gw. Isbyn yn giliod sgol bag y casio.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Has she na gúri gra time for Miss McLean?
Agus Stephen is on a cutcha sin le scripakin agus leis FilmG nakin.
Has she could just go to time go na doing his class like na hill show nach me art nach. Tap live.
Smaharain Skullbagger Castle, a FilmG Award for a film about sausage rolls. Honestly, that might be the most relatable story of the night. Initiate Duaisean roin FilmG, show in Duaisean san Atbish for Shochgiek a Chaya Hugglish a football. Again, for the FilmG Choice Award, the 4 films you're about to see received the most votes, but they are listed in no particular order. We like to force the suspense here at FilmG. Ha Ophelia Akin, Ivonich Drama na Perhaye. Ha in skipperraking le Bailey Machgiligain, a Yeshiacharakel if you are Caras Kujaki Yarlist in in rain, ounce an Arbish Nashina Ochgiak Nasatiert. Ha na Parahataranaking at Duaisean, another traitors inspired film, but from Duaisean this time. I guess Hata H. Guri Vakin vo art skolvik nechkel and the blian watcher gan a skulshin. I guess a ruchgach na sponsorin enoch ha Mary Buchanan vo immers na Gaeltachts na Nilan. To present the award, please welcome Mary Buchanan, Head of Gaelic at Highlands and Islands Enterprise.
Fesgur má harden agus hapad a inchyd lle. Ha mi dag al yn chor yn pwte grwt. Agus iori cwtioch ag fan o chwlwyd dyn as a rhaim a sio yn och. I'm looking for your help, but I'm going to do a shameless plug. We're currently undertaking research ar Canan, ar Coulter, ar Biarstis, looking at the economic, social and cultural value of Gaelic to build the evidence base and show how important Gaelic is within the whole of Scotland, within our lives, within our places, within our businesses, within our social enterprises, within our communities. And we are looking for everyone to complete the survey and put them in. And I would ask every young person here to be a Tosca the Og for the research, to be a Gaelic ambassador and get people filling it in. I'd also like to endorse the words earlier from Ms. Brown about the skills that you're developing through this. These are skills that you'll be able to use your whole lives. These are skills that you'll be able to use whatever job you do, whatever kind of activity you do, and can really make a difference. I wouldn't be up here just now if I hadn't done drama with Drama the Voxath, my English teacher who taught Gaelic drama. But without him, I wouldn't be here either. And so, Shaw and Yale is our son in the Duaisean Shaw.
Ophelia, le Rachel Rose Monroe. In Skipper, le Bailey Machgiligain.
Ha
alles dat mag gilehing bhí giescach a machas na gúntain seo son cór is léad bliana.
Na brahadarin, le scol grammar ghanói.
Joy, cóhadas mena hiich. Tá me seo dá le Julie. Chenéal an uver in a gin of Keel, agus haid sé.
Gaat de héid go rier, le arscol vich neachgal.
Na gulligar sísarin, nach eile thulas trí a bhecin troiachtarí inis a dul gúneoní. Curisio asiain, hemi gra rút.
Sòil an cud gotá, sòil an cud.
Agus ydys, han dwi as y dolgu. Chat a heid gyddiaf artsgol fe cnegal.
Hey now boys, there's something not right. Did anyone see Willie at the dance last night? Let's pick up boy without a bus. Chuck him in with the commons at the back of the bus.
Has sin hátain gal or charósin ar riamhas muneoch go mórní sin seo. Ach seo sin. Tá thula duine a bhean na neu, scaneal agus ariad bórnachach. Jobrig an clasach gin hol cruir son seo, ach a burin i dhéanú a syris. Our teacher Miss Mackenzie, ha miafaoch agus taigal. Cudioch Mr. Neely is on a tar sin sias. Angie McCritchie is on a bhí atars for áitsgu áitse nuair a bheisiing an filmach. Agus cudioch Martin agus Morgan is on a filmach, agus cudioch Anna Freitar is on a scríbig an scriptaching. Agus mi dheirich taing fór dú maras an na ceol ar son na hóla cael na cuach I dheanú dhein. Ca burin dhein a bhí dheanú a synis marasa. Tá seo ceolach ag tar dhein agus mar sin taing fór do FilmG cudioch ar son I bhí a cúseir dói, agus taing go hóla duine I bhót. Tapa lei siúla.
Nach mar ein art school week Nichol. My old school there, but don't worry, I have nothing to do with the judging. I don't even know who the judges are. I'm too much of a risk, they say. Ik gloos het eruit go cruachalach. Shot dúis son in film leis bheachgus látere nó asúre. Concept style storytelling are all being judged at the Creativity Award. Ha cemicach neonach ac ein an an alanis, Ophelia Chilig, ag múr le ulia machgóil agus davanali chhuirst. Gus an dúir seo hort seachad as léin an sponsor an somarostig, seo go fér ha gymach cruacha le héin, agus fér ag le imig dúis ag FilmG Harnam Lianichin on behalf of the category sponsor Somarostic, one of their biggest recent success stories from their media course. Please welcome star of TikTok, Instagram, BBCALBA, sòisealtan.
Cruachalach, ha dyrif nach eil yn ffachgol sin, cruachalach. Ach, am I gymatóid si fi seo asle somarostig agus asle diploma amsna mian yn Gaelic yn cursa TV. Agus ha gymakut mwys fi seo ysga sin yn bliana se oedd ha iddo fi tig sa coig bliana on hosi somarostig a fi trenig asna mian yn Gaelic. Agus sga sin ha scholarach ri ein son gís forsnach je da míle is coig hiet not. Son gís forsnach ha son in cursa na mian yn Gaelic ianu. Is volling gemoord apid cursa haunstoche in cursa na mian yn asiad an an ALBA chanin. Ach son in jaar liste seo
Céim is trí le Academy Alanis. le Rachel Rose Monroe.
Hat bhna cruúhan agus an loch, ha an ball neo avisteach, Phantom Peak. Far nó a thugainn a ferach an neonach, far a bhfuil cúisin a ferach an cúclúideach.
Ag múr le William McGawy. Gavin Ali in Chuirm le Caroline Janet.
Ha mi cóiseach na straidin is gmúntír in na háid sa mi fada om gachaí fada.
Agus búnachúg an dúis son cruachalach ha ag múd bó William McGawy.
Hallo, hwyl ydyn tap leif gymwyd sy'n yn Dhuaisean. Ham i diolch sy'n ei gyda, sy'n rwyd cho cwtymach ans i garlig, a sy'n cho fforst na gyfyd le acyn o'r nach eile ecach glyfig dy gynnu. Ach, hai bio hast, sy'n i diolch gyda gyda, sŵs leis i garlig sy'n y fwn se.
Siobhan, is a Dhuaisean FilmG, William. He won last year, he's back again this year, and if he keeps going like this, we'll need to start charging him rent for space on stage. Inis, dúchas an san atbish fo ish ochtiek. Ha sin your dúchas echkin mar ha a chana tiekerin adult nas daine. Kjol, skolchin, korsnachkin, gaelic an anachkin sorichtje agus echtri a ha hast bio. Ha skol hiú na geeltach gakin a korchu koikerichet bliane. Ha art skol vik nechgalakin a koit iras agus art. Ha academy inar naran akin a scrúta galax an skol agus a korsnach agus ha féis roshaking le video cool gu oran le runrig. If you can get runrig into a FilmG category, frankly, you're halfway to emotional blackmail. To present the Dhuaisean Prize, sponsored by Boris na Gaelic, we have someone from the team behind the upcoming BBCALBA comedy/horror series Lochnamathic from Storyboard Studios and Uisde Jace. Please welcome Kevin Walker.
Hallo, Gaartjen. Oh, dat is ook op het. Zij uren me gaan, wie ik al dat even nog. Agus wie 15 uur had je in een bar. Ham vaartjes zo goed kutten me hebben wie prost nog een agenolig is niet meer in Gaelic. Ham is me hier ik op het maar goed Siobhan Lochnamathic plug week in tablet. Zij is 3 uur drama garage digital gegaan horror comedy. We zitten ook op YouTube agus iPlayer is stouwer. Agus sé gré uur gaan ga BBCALBA, agus gré hasin in dochus, a vis na hosachi, I vid korman oprach geishe, een kutje geishe kiu, as na blian nog een heroin. Gach saddervis geef ule, agus melf een neach edna filmich en aku, agus sjo aku een gearliste is aan duigisch, voor eis ochtiek.
Skolhiúil na Gaeltach, le arscoil a phluich agus skolhiúil na Gaeltach.
An sa bharst bísing a dólar cuairt Michael a Gaeltachs na Hillingen. Bí mú deithnar scolar an sásán ais tríluch tchicasc.
Chat de héit go riamh le arscoil bhích neachgal.
Anil cála fásain. Se sin is corach gan féim sin fallaf, agus am in dochus gun bí operan an Canada rein. Ha rút san bína seán a bhí furach an bochci.
Céim úr Gaelic an an Inid Naran, le Academy Inid Naran.
Andrastig, gmi oistanach, ha I've gleibech de dunia a her Gaelic mai cuspa.
Ac ha sin yn gyrig yn gael cyffas yn sgolaci.
Oran, le feix rosh.
Apad FilmG yn sganyal. Agus han dwys y dol go art sgol y fflwych agus sgol hiwl na geildach.
Dís Jack in seo nach gus tá sin bhús go ciúil gealta.
Channeal áda Jack in your zombie. As sin deocha géirí chuirtanglí Miss Lander an teacher Gaelic acin. Ruúí Carmac ar san an chláideich agus an deocha cúdcála. Agus
sé sin cúteach well has sin cúteach géirí dars tain géirí scolar an eile nach chuil seo nach ochnet eile as a bhí an acin chuideach sin na cúd a film seo í chéile. So more than thank.
Yeah, more than thank.
Smarain, Skull Hugh and the Chaos Auction, Coimhead playing the Chuirm talent, and probably a lot of handfuls of instruments going up and down the road to Plockton. Seo and Dhuaisean Migere Sanarbish for Ushokji comedy. Ha Academy Real Internish acting le Cerid bliana gun Gerain Chavor. Channelat Kincha Chavil. Ha Lochaber acting le Aliens. Ha Knack Art School Viknechgal acting le Development Officer. Well, let's just say a little suspicious. And as someone who's worked with Gaelic development officers, I can confirm this is very realistic. She corn and Gaeldach a torch tai Christian Dhuaisean show. Agus she che asan skirish and hain acting son and Dhuaisean or Shachet. To present the award tonight on behalf of the sponsors Highland Council, one of the most successful FilmG winners of all time, a Highland woman herself, Gavi Sir Lion and Bliana, Duaisean FilmG, ach Shoakev eile nich kian.
Hello, Hildinne. Aber Urim haun a bhíon seo ag FilmG in Bliana. Chiad bliana an an tar bliana nach helmi hain filme chuisteach ach ha choma bhí fecin a Hildinne agus a ginialach úr tín agus filmcin i dhéanú. Seo chiad turas haime sé bhíon an tuh seo gin áirstúlar ach ha mí chotáiste an dúir seo seachad ar seán comedy a seaar. Sé comedy an jinne roinan is dulí ein cearst ach abergan de rain an skippe a seo agus na duine iad a ghearliste fiorde obair. Seo agah a ghearliste ar son comedy.
Na treidirin, le Skull City, Scott.
Channeal fis acum cymad a ha ruari greu hast yn sio. Fai gabain o'r acum se fatum ysro egesan.
Cerid bliana gun yerin, Chavor, le Academy Real in your niche.
Hamí seo le eile. Eile, íon seo na codam in a hair ein le film to bhíon na Gaelic.
Hamí in Vernish.
Aliens, le our skull lochaper. Vlad, in offigid corpore le knack, our skull viknechka.
Oeh, had dat nog een niet der aan je ries?
Gaat er aan je kalige nie.
Oeh. Hij stok.
agus han dúise dulgu. Hat sin arás gúna géaltach nach. Céad bliana gún gearin chabór le Academy Real in Anish.
Taing ar bhain na Gaelic bh Academy Real Internis ar son an codm seo Thuaisteáin, agus tá sin cúteach buhhaling taing bhód a Thuaiste céirí bh skippa FilmG ar son gar chuteach leis a film seo.
Tá sin cúteach géirí taing bhód a Thuaiste Mrs. Rennie agus mai Shrem ar son páirte gáil sa film acín.
Tá le
Mar ein Academy Regal Internis. Sin térig na fatbis fo úseach díag nach cur bhar lavan na chéile san na thula duine a chunig sin guric a seo nach. There's a happy hour or son Unia Garage. After the break, we move into the 18+ competition, and trust me, it gets very competitive. Previous winners, new filmmakers, Solmarostic everywhere, Gaelic metalcore, dog training, social media, road signs, and not one traitor's film. But before we go, a quick but very important announcement. Ha FilmG Naujiak, it'll be a show. That's right, FilmG 19 will be up and running for you to schedule workshops and plan your filming. Bishnierash Kuchach Leish Chlarama Avishjach. FilmG 19 will have a December deadline, but the sun is shining now, so heck of a machstia and filmichin Harishid and Howry. Digest that and get planning, so we'll see you up on the stage next year. Sean, is mi fecin teacher na ga, ma haar na fónig yn live achgus the geri bú oprach. Biardan is son unig gari tregs bishin rash son buonig yn von arbish nas shine na och gieg. Hi mir gaicher shif.
Nach cur se fáilte chrial a dhíist Siobhan Sutherland. Please welcome back this evening's presenter, Siobhan Sutherland.
Sean is fáilte asgutúis FilmG 8 ha sinne is a glósa chun narbish na sinne na 8 agus ma saun mi talent chin and bar of a hiatle, handarna le mi duine a had jeshal son and achim. The 18+ competition this year is strong. Ha buonig in FilmG van Roya Akin, had duine a Solmarostic Akin, Ansahula. We have films about music, social media, identity, Gaelic activism, family gatherings, dog training, metalcore, and in one case, cutting all your hair off for the art. Agus mar a hurt sin sa chiad le ha FilmG Naujiak Erash. So while we're celebrating this year's filmmakers, this is also your warning. If tonight inspires you, excellent. That is exactly the problem we're trying to create. Ha sinne táiseach ag an darna le dúchas. Iríist seo rain a ha mi ein coirsnach ache dúlchas agus mar a hasin céilte rua. It's the category that recognises place, memory, culture, landscape, language and community. Ha fer a tírig na Marlins mierig an a Lewis agus na herig. Ha enamanach cailte akin, ha an cherach an seo a coed der jirig a gauri agus toshach an yerich, agus ha salamakin mar metalcore. A very peaceful category apart from the Gaelic metalcore. Handur seo le taich bhórs na Gaelic buin ikevil de listanas náisianta son Gaelic of Rosnach agus an nearstach fé ALBA agus ha imimechi govéil iad a taich rain a chod lúri canan ache agus dúchas. To present the 18+ Dhuaisean Award, sponsored by Bors na Gaelic, please welcome Gaelic TikToker Iris MacLeod.
a hiile duine fáilte aribh a nach, ha mi cho tolaíte bhíon seo cáil a raibh, apar aiche agus apar talent a hanar misc, scíisih sin na crimicin seo. Seo aca bhí ghearliste son dúchais.
Salon, le gun gul. Ishkin, le Ross Young.
Get a bha guma guach chroach o donner le blas na grinne a jersig shias. Fa mi feriath mo goynish agus Shelley and sonach Jim and Corstorm.
Enemin áte cailte Arnestal, le Calling Robestan.
Mar a Glaschow scéalach gan na ha go chealltúris na háiscin seo, Gunnarstan gun téise tá bí gan aru go bra.
Han terach an seo, le cara nich gói.
Han a ráitsin a rí tro chroitsin fáú. Thorm den town a brísiú gar an trai.
Ha an dúis I dul gú, enemin áte cailte Arnestal Callan Robestan.
Wow, mór an taingers an seo. Gymí ors nach chabarún da Karen is mars na bhíon seo cáil nach gus an dúis a thugáilach. Háise cym film seo mar páist gléifeicte project meisteach ar ein Callan ar son an allhaid agus charosin an dúgan bega chomórdaí seo agus an hal. Befall ein tang fór ar ari, mór ag nich an tuyr, muintir arnastach ha cytú cáil in och, agus the Céile House and Heritage Centre. Mar gynnilach haid le cwtramach, gyfa sy'n genw ar canan sa cwltar y gleach. Fac ym eisiau le pys a Roy Wentworth. Hi can lan ar y fystynia mochalas yn dwchus yr eist, agus fe mis yn chalas hacyn yw fac o iaith, chomas ys yr yngain, gys y tocad 2 ŵr gaelig i'r talaf chrwy. Mór an taing.
Siobhan Shutharlanach, a beautiful reminder that place names are not just labels on a map. Also, well done to Gungul for bringing metalcore to Dhuaisean. I don't think anyone saw that coming. Inishe, filmatar, this is a big one. In Studig and Leirsin agus in Kjarstas Lachera Ulikileir, the judges are looking at the whole craft of the filmmaker, not just the idea, but how it has been shaped and delivered. Agus ha somarostig en och ag trich as a round shot va trúr amachas yn herir cwrs yn y mian in Ekentoel. And even though 3 out of the 4 shortlisted are current or former somarostig students, don't worry, they had no say in the judging, it's completely impartial. Hanna filmichin shelting farsing ach vor access and inclusion in music, the reality of making a living online, Gaelic activism in the 80s, and a family wake where nobody quite fits in. Agus son an dúis or Seachatanoch, ha cútegan acéin a ha hén na Dhuaisean plar, je na líana gutas tín tro FilmG agus tro hóvarostig. Seo ac yfrist ar carriage sòile machian.
Deja vu tax the show hami dash. Hami go told you eiken nu de gonia ha is na gearlistikin a va nyo a ha is in cursa TV nyo diplomas na mi in Gaelic. Agus show aku in gearliste son filmated.
Blythe nicht gullen. Evie.
Stel me wie Shane agus
ha chanel fwm sy'n eile a tachyrst. Sa dyna geisach gyrwm.
Rönich Uruchatan, Loine.
Karen ironic an an doirska ha mi son rutin na cruchagur ska fel sporsel. A chan ym meer sons can be doing quite there ska chan yel parshin sporsel.
Amber Blake, Kerstas.
Charos na primi yn cael ach yn canan. Agus cymryd ydych chi'n fi rosnach yn canan agus dreig ydych chi'n ian.
Luca Kerr, Vada agus Funny.
Cwrm i fod talafiad nhw'n afami med 3G?
Full talent.
Céad filmí cin láide sin agus filmad ar an míorhaileach ach a bún chugnach ha Amber Blake le Kerstas.
Chanel galach ymddwyd tang fod a hwyl dynia agus sy'n hi dal amach a mi son tang a horsto an y farstan agus marcran son yn cwch taig leis y ffrosig sio. Hans dw yn ein Kerstas gyma cwchmach son ar cultur agus ar canan agus ha mi gyma tolwch gan dŵn mi codam i fi ysgwlwg yn sgialach eich Kerstas. Tapalaif hwyl dynia. Sŵs leis i gaelig.
Congratulations to Amber, first time entrant and already a FilmG winner. No pressure for next year, but we will all be expecting a feature film. Sin glós a dyrd go clúche, ans an rain seo hanna bríomh na coit son yn cleisach nó yn clúche y siar, fóniach falli an screen, and this shortlist is full of people doing a lot with very different kinds of performances. Appearing for the first time tonight is FilmG stalwart Parker Dawes. We did warn everyone last year, good news for the under-18s, Parker's gone, bad news for the adults, Parker has arrived. Han dúir se seo sin le taich bó asúr, project lesach I úr ag FilmG ALBA, a coid son guhanúre, beachganúre, agus scialach ganúre an galig agus sin gymafricarach son rain, far a bhfuil sin fecin talent bíal of a camera. To present the 18 Plus Performance Awards sponsored by Asur, please welcome Lisa Nate, Commissioning Editor for Digital at FilmG ALBA.
Hallo, hele dynia. Ha cho ma a fi yn sio col yr yfynoch. Gymysg Runnagin gilydd agos ffilmichin lie. Ha cho bros na chael eich gyn. Agos ha FilmG fiawn fat och blynediag agos cha chreit mission. Ach ha giroch fi choma son talent lie y tîn gan y griafas ach gyn. Agos yn nyryd je Runnagin tîn tron y Dhuaisean sio. Agus am eisiau cho tolich noch gyfel mi y sio as le immerst ura hacin ag FilmG ALBA, she as ura head. So as ur is a brand new initiative with FilmG ALBA, and it's designed to create more opportunities for new creators to enter our industry. We will be running training opportunities, events, and the chance to have your work commissioned and published on FilmG ALBA platforms. So please do come and chat to me, keep an eye on our socials, and we'll have lots more information coming soon. And I hope to see some of you getting involved. And I'm also really excited to see what you all do next. Agus anisha, ha mi dala sgurifrian, agus seo garlista son clúche.
Charlotte Rose McNeish, Villain Coo a Geistra.
Se con really ma a home de. Hij ten Connie a Geistra doen. Vorkuts Janun,
Kirsty nicht Gaster, Toast Buskje.
De ma lekes mir te gen sies. De ma wes hulle dunja mak gorum. De ma wes hulle dunja garig ginger.
Parker Dawes, Mul ag Nianaiche.
Ga feig mi skillines an seo.
Ro O'Hara, Fare agus Funny.
Weet u wie vier nu kohunnen? Ach. Nu doen we wel kretsen gedeleerd al.
Agus yn clwyche siar, dol gw, Ro O'Hara, Fara agus Fynia.
Neither of us are Ro, dulich. As je nulich ba bronig, a gaan hele Shaw anach.
Get well soon, Paul.
Because tapali voor zo'n FilmG is een goede dunje, a kur aparoper aan zijn de filmigen Shaw. Agus een goede dunje aan anach. Agus we toch is geveel zien aan en aanblienen, agus de blienigen het al hier. So, thank voor het eerst.
Tapali.
Siobhan is upper talent and the hin Rose strong performance, strong film and proof that family gatherings are emotional, complicated and sometimes best processed through FilmG. Inish Fierenach no factual severely the best true story or documentary film. Ha Evie aking le blaith nich gulium, film mu Evie Waddle of one ik FilmG roye, agus ha rashanoch le film ye hein kujach. FilmG is becoming like the Marvel universe now, everyone is connected. Ha Erleine aking le runach urchatin a coit na mian sòisealtan. Ha Kerstas aking le Amber Blake me immer sgalig ams na hochgetin. Agus ha Gamalorach sa haast aking le eile Scott a lentin bliana rang. Maar Siannetar is skrivetar oran Gaelic. And door seo sin le taik vo urus baros na china Gaelic, the Gaelic Language Promotion Trust. Boeien a hervi tors taik dog immersten Gaelic fat blianachin. Agus ha am Africarach gewil at a cwr taikri roigne a ham ein skeelach yn fyr, corsnach yn fyr agus dynne a clachca Gaelic and a doyen lacher is cruchel. To present the 18 Plus Factual Awards sponsored by Urus Bros na China Gaelic, please welcome the multi-FilmG Award winner who is now actually a board member of FilmG at her career trajectory, Siobhan Lachlan Peel.
Ha mi chátáil sé bhí as ag FilmG, ha seach bliana gáil seachat go má lua, seach go bhfuil mi a bhórdanis, go mi orsnach as sinna cílethú no more political jokes, ample material though there is. Ha mi gíri meallanach a thars dá murdos an skipe ag astar media, ha si bhir ginmh fír bha, ha mi gíri páirse gabhal a réis, ha mi gíri film a chur isteach. Rúta hair achrathe gan an seach bliana ha mis a ferchín nuair a ha sinne coiad ar an saoil Gaelic agus ha sinna bríomí an chanan. ha barach mis noch acin, sin yn ffacol ha trich yn ochgych. Agus gael se sin y cilach chania fan, mis noch anan y fi, y brian ach anan ach gachlach gan yn doi, crwchol agus a gyn sin y sgilach yn acaf agus gan sgilach fat as far sin. Agus leis sin, fer sin sŵl y gar lista.
Evie, le blaith mich gwylyn.
Evie model, Sianiter, Cléisiche, Downser.
Eid Loine, le Vernage Uruchatan.
Peach Kuntas in Aun, agus sé dyn yn ynioing good posts, agus profile picture, gyma'n iawn o'ch yw'r mission. And I'm like, mae'n nach el uiach das video ac am gydach di'n scroll.
Kiarstas, le Amber Blake.
Hwy'n big efo pentiseinigin as na hochgatan. Yn draen sy'n yn rho ffeim out, chanilysym.
Gamalorok sa haast, le Eile Scott.
Sé fych gyfan ga ein machas yn tyl, I think. Gys yn clynig dynia na horin chiarstach am sgrif mi heim.
Kiarstas, Amber Blake.
Now I really don't have anything to say. Hamis Munchen gyfel yn oberig FilmG gymachyd trmach agus sound trafi y clachgyg na galig y janw rwtgen mae'r FilmG y sein y sgrifig a hasyn ule y cwrdys yn oberig kerstas agus femisyn ule y fi mochel leis an obair a hasin a deanú mar ha. Agus ha mi díreach go má máteal gyfel córsteach látir acéin. Táim mhór a thula duine. Cymada.
Well, that's now 2 FilmG Awards for Kerstas, and this is Amber's first year entering FilmG. Well, in a drama, agus rwyd eintje noch yn bliana, ha da film y jarliste son drama agus comedy, slanche agus fare agus funye. That tells you something about both films. Funny, but with some drama beneath it, which is basically how most Gaels communicate. All 4 of our shortlisted films are made by past FilmG winners, so this is one of the most hotly contested categories that we've ever seen. Han dŵr sio trin le taith fo Take 3, company lesachi a ha gober har film agus television. Agus ekefel Coimhead son skrivet darin no filmet darin ure le gaelig kujach. To present this Over 18 Drama Award and hopefully to tell us more about this new opportunity for Gaelic filmmaking, please welcome Carolyn and Abby from the category sponsors Take 3 and Bill McLeod from FilmG ALBA.
Thanks, Siobhan, and hello, everyone. I'm Abby, this is Carolyn, and this is Bill. It's really exciting to be here tonight at the FilmG Awards, so thank you so much for having us. Take 3 is sponsored by Screen Scotland, BFI Network, and FilmG ALBA to provide short film funding opportunities to early career filmmakers in Scotland. And this year, thanks to FilmG ALBA, we have 2 short film funds ring-fenced for Gaelic talent, and the opportunity opened just now. So I'd encourage you all to go to our website, which is take3.scot to learn more. And yeah, really would love to hear from you all. Now passing over to Carolyn.
I'm going back to tonight's exciting business, and let's have a look at the nominations for Best Drama.
Toast Lushje, le Kaylee Bell agus Adam Stewart.
Ní an gáileach, an an basarú, a mi ddíad an sún seo sy'n ffain amachchas an tuisce.
Ach, chanel an tuisce ann.
Chanel na chast!
Mul ag mianaiche, le Parker Dawes. Sláinte, le Kirsty Níchgarster.
By chod dawl is y froen nach ro fiws feseich gro awn awn. Charo awn na fehe a chi hun y litrichen agos y hyn nhw.
Fare agus funne, le Luca Kerr.
Oh, my graag! Oh! En ik weer vanette. Oh, droog. Oh, niet goed jullie.
Wow, appet filmig nach groot dilemma. Kan je in Thuis zo'n drama jaar, het al, gu, tjierig een minuut. Het al gu slaantje, Kirsty MacArthur.
Well, okay, more than thank you, thing, Davinat. Ha mir son more than thank I can't re Billy MacArthur, mo vragen more ha an a ja. Ryan Billy en Kjol son a film a show could you Ryan en Kjol son gag film rein me a dief. Ga vier en operakumse kerstgoma. Is earnish belly, I guess could you have eens movihe choma is earnish belly, movra more. No one tell him I just said something that nice about him. Could you come your son canteen more and tank re Alex Farnham, hi is on a hen. She carriage is shard ek mochile hana Alex, I guess hashin eriviolich erihila on a vashin davlin jiak. I guess yeah, hi giroch hi Mirvioch ma, rein esan en oper a camera, I guess a fuaim. Kujoch kami son, got a breath. Ha son canteen more and tank, go Chloe Nelson, Eleanor Wilson, Mia Barbieri, Holly Rennie Brown, Giancarlo Bell, Liam Robertson, Charlotte Wilson, Eile Scott, Charlotte Rose McNeish, I guess Fern Blundell, of a ounce of film acum, I guess Kujoch to Arthur Kelly, and Gilla is boy here on Shaw Marinoch. I guess Kujoch ha son more and tank a canteen re and Taisha ek Jim Henson a haniko in Uche. Okay, Eicheva, love you, bye!
Upper speech a Kirsty, a FilmG regular, a previous winner and now winner of drama. Also nominated in comedy. Greedy, but impressive. Seo rauniú am san arbis Eilein in film Eilanta Siar, beocha cio barstoch Eilein no mian an ure. This is a category for films that maybe don't sit neatly in the usual boxes, which is good because Gaelic creativity has never been especially good at staying in boxes. Da ilm ciúil acin agus da ilm le beochaig no animation. Siobhan Shutharlanach ach ha ferach gyn mar rain I va FilmG fémach atrig a filmich in a varach ddíreach drama comedy na rutan fírineach ach ha hast látir túsal agus gyma Gaelic. Han dua seo sin le taich bhon chum an Gaelach, a ha iddi fi ag cria cwltar na Gaelic fatim ag bliana, agus ha fricarach gyfil at y cwr taich cri rain ha torst ache do chiol, eilin barstoch biochig agus do ynure Gaelic chwr y screen. To present the first Over 18 Art Award, please welcome Cannach Cwm from the category sponsors in Coimhead Gaelach.
Henshu, Fescar Mac Garden, Hana Urumwonse, if he shot enoch Gerukach in Coimhead Gaelach ek Dhuaisean FilmG. Apar talent a hander miskenoch, agus get a ha iritussen dunig son voorchuts jigarpishin mod national Glasgow da vile agus shiarichet. Ha farpish TikTok goviaki in blione ugunis in la is jay shakonjevoj shin an ook of la jiag jandaver, agus mershunye bikorum illa aku skillen a hashpenig. Coú ha min nógus confection ik vodju an sandaver, agus show aku garliste ha na filmichin jalan.
Musht, le Ro O'Hara agus Lucinda Lewis. Pure Scahan, le Lucy Keegan. En Skire Hiram, le Seamus Morgan.
Ertien, gum cake.
Sin yn lorig dyr yn cyn.
Chanil, le Evie Waddle.
Apar filmichin on hin, agus is me gaiv in draste, co ha buanachig, Pure Scahan le Lucy Keegan. Niall van Elk.
Morantang son seo. Tablev Morantang. This is Luke. He did the music for it, and it's absolutely fabulous. Tablev the Skipper FilmG, my parent and my sister. She's great. Despite what you might think about the film, what I said about her, but no, she's fabulous. My friends and family. I can't believe this. I totally didn't expect this. Thank you so much for recognising animation as just a form of filmmaking. It's very important to me, and I'm glad that other people appreciate it, especially in Scotland. Thanks. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Welton Lucy, first year for the art category and an animation wins it. That feels right. New category, new voice, new way of telling a Gaelic story. Lucy is actually one of the members of the first Asur cohorts. We had Asur as a sponsor earlier on, and she'll be working on an animation project for that new project. Haisianish ag comedy agus han shortlist show watcher, evel in ku egeisteach, Gaelic dog training, which to be fair is probably easier than training people. Fair na Gaeltach, a day in the life of an ordinary Gael, dangerous concept, there's no such thing as an ordinary Gael. Sláinte back again after winning drama earlier, agus Fara agus Funye also back after nominations in several places tonight. This is the point in the night where the judges basically admit some of you are funny and emotionally complicated. Congratulations. In Dhuaisean a Chinley Taich Chorlin a Gaeltach, a council area that covers so much of the Gaelic map from Inverness to Skye, from Lochaber to Caithness, and as we have seen again tonight, a lot of FilmG talent as well. To present the Over 18 Comedy Awards sponsored by the Highland Council, please welcome the executive producer of Dhuaisean, who finished filming for the new series tomorrow. From Black Camel, nach Grafalche Arabella Page Croft.
Thank you. This will be a bit of comedy, so bear with me. Go on, Bill.
Tapa.
Tapa.
Live.
Live. Esson. Ahula. Gara.
Yeah.
Thank you for the laughs. Yeah, something like that. Thank you. Thank you, Bill, for coming up with me. I've had the privilege of producing the first high-end drama and chillin', one of some fantastic talent working at Black Camel, a Glasgow-based production company. But, you know, we had a dream with Bill to create Anchillin and to take drama, Gaelic drama to the world. And I've been so lucky to work with some fantastic talent. And, you know, of course, through FilmG, you know, so many people have come through, and it's wonderful now that the show has been seen by over 2 million people. And it's the second series is selling into Acorn in the States, it's selling to Sweden, Denmark, Estonia, I believe, it's now traveled to Australia. And the more high-end drama, the more series of Anchillin that we can make, the more we can take it to the world, and the more finance that we can build into kind of Gaelic storytelling, the more we can educate the world about what, you know, you all do so brilliantly here. So none of that would have been possible without the help of, obviously, MG, BBCALBA, BBC Network have come on board, and Screen Scotland, HINE, and how do I say it properly? Coimhead. Cuerla, sorry.
Ellen Shear.
That one, and Shear. So it's been a privilege working with FilmG, and I just want to, I've got a quick apology actually, because I missed the memo about sponsorship, and I will now make a donation. I didn't sponsor, and Black Camel should have been a sponsor, so that's an apology in advance, which I will make good. So thank you all for your brilliance. Honestly, you've got so much energy, so much talent. You know, Amber, Parker, all of you brilliant people coming through. It's just an absolute joy to see. And obviously, Tainith was presenting, and I think Yolanda's here as well. So thank you, and on to the important bit of the awards, which is Comedy Awards, isn't it? What have I missed?
I think we see the shortlist.
Oh, we do. Yes, that's good. Better do that. So we'll step aside, and we'll watch the nominees. That's what we'll do.
A villain coup a géisteach le Charlotte Rose McNeish.
Had Jish Connacht and Marha is many meet the main, Jay Hood that of Sahara really.
Fed na Gaeltach le Seamus Stevenson.
It's a Jew outfit to hound. I listen to me all, she is in style, I was fine, over a kiss. I listen, she shit, but me a fat, there's on a law.
Sláinte le Kirsty Níchgarster.
Tá like planetchin á, planetchin nacha lacking in este. Agus na planetchin á seo fastú jarsach.
Fara agus Funye le Luca Kerr.
A fel y hasta shine. So nach gym yw ag y bod yn bliona. Gwyn i'ch Seamus ac yn yn bawnor.
Gino, how fel yn drasta. How glwys it chwfater falw.
Karst. Is een duos son comedy. Dol, gu. Wel een ku geestjoch. Charlotte Rose McNish.
Wow, graag. I did not think I'd be up here tonight. Seo hi to this achim idíomh I bhí ag na Dhuaisean FilmG agus hami I bhidden I bhí seo anach. Chydych mi yn ffilm y seo leis y prif ames rwy'n uitrym is dydych eifig na cdwch ers gach sy'n zo'n draste ha imig rwy'n ecolog gytachers agus fa mi giri dydych space y cdwch son gadach gein agus tolachus agus ha sio mar sala jeshin so tabalaid on the fan in Tanakam. Despite not wanting to be in the film, I forced them to, so thank you for helping me with that. Thank you to my two very lovely dogs who are watching at home right now, Bodhi and Hector. Couldn't have done it without yes. Thank you to Kerry, as always, for helping me with filming. Thank you to FilmG for making tonight possible. Sorry, I'm a bit shaky. I really did not expect this. Thank you to FilmG because Gaelic is so important and I think things like FilmG show how it's possible, how Gaelic is growing and how everyone can get involved in it and everything. It's just really, really special to see. So, thank you so much.
Feedback, Charlotte, a comedy about a Gaelic dog trainer. Now, I'm not saying this should be a BBCALBA series, but I'm also not saying it. Inish in Dhuais Megérig I Chaya Huglisha Fopal, Dhuais Roin FilmG. The public vote gave us 4 films, again listed in no particular order. FilmG likes democracy, but we also like suspense. Ha nach buigu daking le lemonade or an hip-hop Gaelic a chaya yanu kusarichters on FilmG. It went online, it got radio play, it got people talking. Gaelic hip-hop at FilmG, exactly the sort of thing that makes people excited and other people say, "Cheha sho." Ha da Philomela aking le Caris Brown, Keilichin agus le Sula Nela Sulila, and remember her brother Bailey was also in the under-18 FilmG choice shortlist earlier. Competitive family, avoid board games in their house. Agus ha votern Gasulera aking le Lucy Small, a love letter to sea, boats, family and Gaelic learning. And do a shot at Shane le Taikvo speak Gaelic, I either be a torch Gaelic, guluk games sahi, agus aid fegna duche, agus fata nasacha falaf. Agus hakama emichi, guvilat a kur taikri duasha hum popul, because Speak Gaelic has brought a lot more of the public into the Gaelic conversation. To present the Over 18 FilmG Choice Awards, sponsored by Speak Gaelic, please welcome Maud Gold Medal winner and academic, and a man we've already seen appear on our screens tonight, actually, Alistair White.
Thank you, Siobhan, thank you, Dhuaisean. Aber eiche vrosnachal misnachal hikisho. Ha chol meet na braie gunjachi car agus kiet guli film churistacham bliana agus mile guli film on a hoshik FilmG's kiet allemach. Ha FilmG rivolo gemoders on chin a ha agus shivsho hule nechak of van saas an a film in a blian ganigalav agus gujara an a film in bliana. Melanach or of ulig. Ha sylmi gydachi sio rhain na baraia cwjach ach ha crwachig e cri yn dôlachig acin agos ha mi'n dalchus galensif ulig yrif e crwachig e fiaching e rwtan ure ha mar farstyn mar gael. Cyw sio acif yn yw'n ha yr ierlysta dan dŵs ha sio dŵs rhain FilmG.
nach buígucht le lemonade. Le Caris Brown.
Could you me? Gaffer de hocher J and Tenham Horst. An Hanyal Modan Unyakum is Cavaluan.
Votern Gusúlere le Lucy Small.
Bhí Gaelichan, Jagurnia, Eganrug Girl, Son na Vatican, Bega Few, Aka Chlacha, Moncurst, and Elan
Le Súlan eile, Sul eile, le Caris Brown.
Nach iad fama, melanach ar of ulig, has je vliegele adi mollig. Genoeg gaan doos het al da nach boeie hoeft, lemonade.
Hey, Kia Mila Tang or son and do shot, I'm your son gra Mila Tang FilmG, Mila Tang and a hula dunya vote. I is Tang Soniche, Dinna Shaw, see at Cameron Ferguson, Jack Weir, Upper Legends. So Mila Tang, I is Suis Leisha Gaelic. Cheery!
Siobhan, a Gaelic hip-hop has now won a FilmG Award. Somewhere a Gaelic teacher is either delighted or deeply confused, or possibly both. Siobhan hashin rain in duas meyerig agus harutikin akin in bliana. Chanya jarlis de avishach a vakin your son film a shar. Had the genemy shin shot roll live, vakin die feu kussen rockwonig in drama. Comedy Fierenach agus eile acting. So, for the first time in this format, the overall best film is chosen from tonight's winners in those 4 categories. Hashin a kielche, gewil keher filmichin in a hele. Eveling hu geistjach le Charlotte Rose McNeish, winner of comedy. Pure Skahang le Lucy Keegan, winner of eile. Slanche le Kirstinich Carter, winner of drama, agus Kerstus le Amber Blake, winner of Fierenach. Aberusik jarlis de later comedy, animation, drama and documentary. Ha en doe shot a chin le taik vo screen ALBA ha either vi lech utramach de FilmG agus do lesach talent screen an an ALBA agus enjoy gaif in drach Gaelic gen film and screen curriculum a chuir vok in aberhaie en noch ha kem Afrikarach gewilat colorein ek jirig na heiche son film is shar. To present the Best Film Award, sponsored by Screen Scotland, please welcome the Executive Director of Screen Scotland, Isabel Davis.
It is a huge honour to be presenting Best Film Award tonight, but may I first say, what an incredible night it has been in celebration of Gaelic creativity. And thank you to all of the young people tonight whose work has made us laugh, think, cry, or just jump out of our skins in terror. You are born entertainers, and please keep going. Please keep telling stories and have fun whilst you're doing it. Who knows, maybe like many people in this room, you'll end up making it your career. And what I can tell you for sure is that all of the film and television industry folk in this room are rooting for you from the bottom of their hearts. So, here are the nominees for Best Film.
Y Villain Cú a Géisteach le Charlotte Rose McNeish.
Sut i'n achos yn proses awn? Ha mi farach cyn misnach o mi ein sio.
Pure Scahen le Lucy Keegan. Sláinte le Kirsty Níchgarster.
Hai smyrniwch wel sin ac y de ham i'r falaf. Ach yn o'r sin. Hi yn is boich y chynnig gyriaf.
Kiarstis le Amber Blake.
Oes is fel ja cyn gymagryd. Ach ik juist nou van morgen gevoeld de weer de tripletje. Agus hanig sin.
And the winner is Amber Blake.
I really wasn't expecting any of this tonight. This award shouldn't really be going to me. It should be for Kirstis and everything that they did as a group back in the 80s. Things like FilmG and everything else that we have now is really thanks to the work that they did. Han oberik FilmG ha gymasonachje, ha gu ac ein eile agus ha sinne gaclachig. So, mialdaneach. A hula dunne ha sin ulen seo a brún sa gaelig agus ha gymasonachje, so smar ein sin. Taflaib.
Aparusa eiche ga Amber, winner of Filmator, winner of Fírinach, and now winner of Filmashar. That is not bad for a first go. Agus son críoch jaarstechurir Dhuaisean FilmG ochtiek. Ha sin adol Sòisealtan Filmashar. Na blianase ha kiarstas me ein buint je loch immer scalig ams na hocketen. Fent galig Sainichen Roach. Film Mechanan Ache Gniev agus Mishnach. A very fitting winner for FilmG because at its best, FilmG is about people taking Gaelic, taking a camera, and making something happen. Shock of Kiarstis, le Amber Blake.
Ba ikkel yn polis agus yn realtas, chi'n charad cíneach, dé seo se brún runnain.
Stoch, a gratis fwynig gyda sy'n yn y bachwnnwstich yn a fa, sy'n anilis acam.
Ba dwynia yn cawni gar molwg, agus fa fiwnia yn nachra.
Ba cans bydioch.
Se yn canan a fa cwl o hwnca. Féimeis sin céinecha go cúsin go idir jaalaid yn 1981.
Charo ffilm dy fi'n y Gaelic y táisiach.
Charo BBCALBA ac ein.
Charo ffiws reading yn gael ac ein.
Wel, charo cydioch ys yn byd awn rydw yn loich no yn realtas son yn canan.
Charo i sainig yn rhaid, chanaich dw sainig yn tuchlichen cóir agus tuchlichen ofica las Gaelic. Vai dyryf cynnych ydi?
Fa dyn yn coni y geach amach mi ein stw, so cyrsonnach mi ein yn canan. Sawn ag yn tôl of y dyn hosige. Agus leis gyda chaimis y sias o gobr as yn nofig. Fe dydych mae'r parst gan y behec am ys yn y mias na fas yn sias.
Cain ac yn cynnyw an y siawn tai yn tôl sy'n ffadro I an agus tifi ffwrwch ag yn awm. Agus yn sio mae'r machar y fws le dynja. Agus iad y geld yn sio siwt na eile I enw an y Jeffrey Immerston ar son y Gaelig.
Charos na primi yn cael ach yn canan. Agus cymryd ydych ni fi rosnoch ag yn canan, agus jeig ydych ni anw.
Fashion y ced gan y chymri, agus y ffedacyn gyda y Gaelig y ffein Jimas yn tach gyda sych yn y Cymru, agus gyda sy'n adi y drwyd gyn nybacholicha ydych y fa tahrs yn sy'n. Y prif rwyd y fawn se fi diolch y cwrt Gaelig ydd swynig I droed. Diolch ar sy'n gyffeicad dyn y Gaelig, gyffeicad dyn y gyda iawn, agus gyda siesa fydd chwarae gynnech. Ia sy'n stoch yn y begleiste maar len koersen van kama af agus njochen toch ik het osach jong zich zijn goede junig is er ook opdracht dan kleren toen we de zijn tosach li paintstripper als een oorschijn naar de lekkere leschen op de eno ha ja paintige zijn is noorschijn intenium feintig is munchen is naar de hikkig de hoorle we get de klanig is skurig klanig is have ik kala en ik te de graag.
Eén mira was gema sporsa.
Was spors is fel ja ac yn gymatrich. Ach ik juist dan van morgen gevoeld te weer de tripletje. Agus hanig sin. Van de Polische is wie vier in St. Jugreis ar glach gegaan de dood hurricane. Has je een lang greitje grafoon college tapt?
Se seo a chuir na polis nuair a hanigad lá an an tól. Gar lorog. Number 1, Spencer Brilliant White Emulsion 5 litre tin full. Spencer Brilliant White Emulsion 5 litre tin empty. China jug containing 6 paintbrushes. Shishin is stew, a loragat. Ac ag an tôl, agus of course shisho an stew of a deunia dianu or son of a pentig an adja. Chabé sin is stew of a sin ag lechgers san is einigin. Or charish na chogorach sin.
So len sin gekoerst, ga doort sin kala se hoorst ach na de wat de gerie or jare ginne sinne vaat beeld na koerste. Was dat RU Mark Range. Hoortje is me. Agus huk a hoortjen maar yeah, that's me. Siach Gaelig, as gafad drisio sin. A cha lickig het lein brien an a Gaelig, s mo sin ha drin sin. Chanie gyd dyfad y fwy yn os o ffata na gyd rain sin fasgyryd sy'n rain at as chymri a chanig tor a gas.
Chanie mira gyd rain sin cael son yn canan, chanie nisam. You know, bwy yn big efo penti seinigin as na hochgyd yn rain sin yn ro ffeima, chanie nisam.
Afar eich ha och kunnig je FilmG ir viakinnish agus an och kunnig sin persona ha hast trokutmach. Wone bunskolchen gynne filmet darin for is och jiek. Gu farpish na sinna och jiek eva hollacher svairiev. Gu farpish na sinna och jiek eva ham sinna ra ham itich grana rutrish filmekritjer na hiche han mitilik. Va talent gare operkrui agus torgalik akinir in arstoeler agus hier screen. Thank you to every filmmaker who entered. Thank you to everyone who came along tonight. Thank you to FilmG ALBA, who own FilmG, and run it to develop talent for the future of Gaelic media. Thank you to Astor Media and the wider FilmG team. Thank you to our sponsors, judges, schools, tutors, families, and everyone who helped to make these films happen. Agus Kainigh ha FilmG Nightia Gakin. We'll be back to the normal timeline with a December deadline. So if tonight has inspired you, don't wait too long. Start thinking, start writing, start annoying your family to be extras. Apparently it works. We've had FilmG on a Thursday, Scotland are at the World Cup, Gaelic hip-hop, Gaelic metalcore, The Traitors, a shortage of sausage rolls and bara, and a best film about Gaelic road signs, Fear Yoaiche. Vote skip a FilmG fat more an tainge. Enjoy the rest of your night, and we'll see you for FilmG Night Martian Live.